Right. So a bit blobby, but it's definitely on there. Soldered on there. Yeah, that's the good reason to tin the ends of the batteries before you start. That's what I think. Anyway, that's what I did. Seems to work. I've got to hold that down on there somehow. God, what easier than done, isn't it? There you go. So it's got to go on there like that. That's good. Okay, that's the last connection. And then we'll be putting it back together. We'll try and make sure it goes over the top of the tang of the... Yeah, it's done it. There you go. I'm happy with that.